Good morning and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will talk about adjacent angles. Let's start with the definition. Two angles that have a common side and a common vertex, corner point, and they don't overlap. Like you can see in the figure, there are two angles DAJ and JAT. These two angles share a common side which is AJ and a common vertex or a common corner which is A. So we can define adjacent angles if the angles share common vertex, common side and they don't overlap. So those angles are called adjacent angles. Here are some examples of adjacent angles. Look at the first example. 35 and 55 both are adjacent because they share a common side and a common vertex. 80 and 45, they are also adjacent angles, same for 85 and 20, 130 and 50. Can you notice something? Adjacent angle can be complementary or can be supplementary, or maybe they are not. So adjacent angles, when they share a common side or common vertex, so sometimes they can be complementary angles or sometimes they can be supplementary angles. Okay, here is another example of adjacent angles. There are four angles in this figure, A, B, C and D. Look at to A and B. A and B are adjacent angles because they share a common side and a common vertex. Same for B and C and same for C and D. But we cannot say that B and D are adjacent angles because their sides are different. And same for A and C. They are also not adjacent angles because their sides are different. So in this figure, A and B are adjacent angles with common side and corner. B and C are adjacent angle with common side, and C and D are adjacent angle with common side and corner. Another example, there are two angles which share a common vertex which is B and share a common side which is BD. Okay, another example, there are two angles share vertex D and share a common side BD. But how can you find the unknown angles or the total of adjacent angles? Suppose first angle is angle ADB 65, another angle BDC is 35. So when we add it, we will find angle D because angle D is divided into two adjacent angles. So when we add these two adjacent angles, we will get the value of D. Another examples, one angle is 60, another is 28. So when we add them, we will get angle B. Same for angle F. One is 33, another is 90 degree. So when we add them, we will get angle F, which is 123. Okay, what if there is unknown angle in adjacent angles? Like one is known and another is unknown, and we have a total angle. Like you can see in this figure, this is right angle and right angle is equal to 90 degree. So if one angle is 40, so if you subtract this 40 from 90, you will get the unknown angle F. So 90 minus 40 is 50. Another example, the total angle is 65, one angle is 20. So if you subtract 20 from 65, you will get the value of angle X. Another example, one angle is unknown, suppose that is X, another angle is 65. This is a straight line, so it shows that this is equal to 180 degree. So if you subtract 65 from 180, you will get this unknown angle 115. 180 minus 65 is 115. Okay, there are some examples of adjacent angles. Some more examples of adjacent angles. Okay, thank you so much. See you next time. If you people have problem regarding adjacent angle, just inbox me your problem. See you next time.